Staring at the candle, feel the pain on me, nigga, you don't matter.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make the latest trend that's been going around, which is the safety pin shirt. I'm going to start it off by marking how short I want the shirt. So what I'm doing right now is folding to where I want the shirt to stop at, and then I'm going to cut the extra piece off. So right now I'm just cutting the bottom of the shirt off. For some reason, I missed this step in filming, but the next step is to cut the front of the shirt in half, just like you see here, and this is where our safety pins are going to go. Now it's time to put our safety pins in, and I got my safety pins from Dollar Tree, and they had the variety pack, which it had large safety pins and small safety pins. So you'll see that I started with the large safety pins first, just because that was my preference and I feel like it looks a little bit better. So I'm going to start with the larger safety pins first, and then I'm going to work my way down and start with the smaller safety pins. As you can see here, I put about 7 large safety pins in, but you can put how many ever you want to. And now I'm going to start with the smaller safety pins. So this is what it looks like when we're done. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you can get post notifications whenever I upload. And thanks for watching.